Hello viewers, hope you are fine. This is Faryad from Hunza Stone Age Tours, and currently I am on a hike in the middle of the world's most peaceful lake, Borith Lake. So moving on, and my background you can see how peaceful and how beautiful is the lake and the scenery behind me, and I am at the middle of the rocks, the geological wonders that I am billions of years ago, these formations, these rocks, some metal that has been melted, and then these rocks formed, as you see on my background. So currently moving on, this is the spectacular view of Borith Lake, and Gulmet Tower is hidden on the back of this mountain, and see the evening sunrise, sunset, yeah. And now just moving to explore these beautiful journeys, these rocks, just moving on. Now here you can see, wow, as you can see here, it how is the formation of these rocks. Beautiful. Oh, cool. This is amazing. And see how cool and how beautiful is the sky. And this rock is ready to fall. So, you know what? This place is really the mechanism, this in this magnetic field of this valley. When people come here, they forget everything. And boating and the silence of this lake is really fantastic. And see the boating. Sure. Going closer to this mega massive rock that billions of years ago these rocks has formed, and see how pleasant is the sky. Wonderful.